Alright guys, this is the car. I just had it shipped here from Florida. It's my 85 SVO. I'm going to be doing a lot of repair videos on it from basically everything. I mean, obviously it needs everything. One of my videos, I'm going to be putting a new hatch on it. New driver's door. And then I'm going to be spending a lot of time right in here, because as you can see, the interior is really dirty. So I got a few parts for it, but I'm not going to be making videos until I get settled on one thing. So rust wise, it's pretty rust free. There's some spots that need attention, but this is the engine. I have the battery out right now. The only thing I've done to it is replace the valve cover gasket and paint the valve cover. That's about it. There's the battery. So, yeah, you can see he supposedly got hit by a little truck, something like that. No damage on the quarter panel over here. Definitely need to paint. This car has seen better days for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing in this car. I'm gonna be uploading a lot of new videos on it. So from everything from new headlights, new rims, paint job. So you guys just stay updated with this. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I ripped out all the seats. About to rip out all the carpet. The back seats, you can see they're not bad at all. They don't have any wear on them. They have a few cigarette holes, but I mean, what Foxbody doesn't. So I got the seats out. I got all the interior out. The seats are garbage. I'm gonna be repainting all the interior parts that I have here, and I'm gonna be doing another little section here in a minute of redoing all of them, and then eventually ordering a new dash. Alright, so I went ahead and I ripped out the carpet of the car, and I'm actually surprised. I want to show you guys that this right here, I know if you know about Foxbodies, that this is pretty hard to come by. The floorboards have absolutely no rust on them, so that is pretty difficult, and I want to show you guys that real quick. Computer's out over there. So yeah, so I'm pretty excited to get started on this thing. I'm gonna be doing a all black interior. You can see it's got all gray right now. You see all that. Yeah, that's just like some oil or something I got on there. So I'm gonna be cleaning all that up, doing some seam sealer, and then going from there. So